Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by acting on what matters now. Clear the working area and tape edges, get a small patch test area identified. Assess each blemish, then remove loose paint with a putty knife. Don't chip fresh edges. Sand around the damaged zones until the surface feels smooth to the touch. This helps adhesion. Apply spackling into cracks and low spots, scrape flat, and let it cure. Once dry, sand again for a seamless surface so primer will stick evenly. Once the patch is smooth, you prime the repaired areas because primer seals and equalizes porosity. This prevents flashing. Use a brush to cut in along trim and corners, then immediately roll the field in a W pattern to distribute paint evenly. Avoid heavy loads on the roller. Work wet edges into each other to prevent lap marks. Apply 2 thin coats rather than 1 thick coat, making sure to follow the can's dry times so the finish cures properly and looks uniform. You finish by carefully inspecting the wall under good light for drips, lap lines, or thin spots. Touch up small defects with a fine brush. If the repaired area shows a texture mismatch, lightly sand the spot and apply a thin skim coat of paint or matching texture before repainting. This corrects the look. Remove tape while the paint is still slightly tacky to avoid peeling. Troubleshooting tip: if color looks off, wait 24 hours. Dry color can shift. Then glaze or repaint the area.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.